Okay, good morning, students. We will continue with the HTML and we will discuss image tag. Okay, students, I am going to create one HTML document in which I will insert image. Okay, students, yesterday I discussed for inserting image, we use img tag, and after that there is src tag, and it's a compulsory tag in HTML image tag. It stands for source. Here we will have to give the name of the file. But if the image file and HTML file are in different locations, then we will have to give here location. So look at here, I am saving this file in desktop, and here is a one file that is ABC. So I am using that file abc dot jpg. Image will be inserted. Then height and width, these can be in percentage or in pixels. This is your choice. If you take it as a percentage, it means when you will reduce the window size, the image size will also be reduced. It will be proportionate to the window. So I take here 40% height, and width is again 40%. And there is a ALT attribute. So look at here, ALT attribute. Here we will give some text. This is my file, and after that double quotes close, and then tag close. It is an empty tag. It is not a container tag. After that we will close body tag, and then we will close HTML tag. Save this file with extension .htm or .html. I am going to save this in desktop. So look at here, I double click on the file, image is inserted. So if I want to give a tooltip when I place the mouse on the picture, the way is title. So I will give here title tag, and then this is new pic. I save this file, I refresh the page, then I place mouse on the picture. But your title attribute is dependent on your browser. So here it is not working. Otherwise, when we place the mouse on the picture, there is a small tooltip. एक छोटा सा box आ जाएगा pointer के साथ, and in that box the message will be this is new pic. So next is, if we want to give alignment to the image, there is a align attribute. The value may be right, left, then top, bottom, and middle. There is no any alignment, center alignment. Remember this, there is no any center alignment in the case of image. So look at here. But also title tag is working here. Look at here. I place the mouse on the image. There is a message. This is new pic. Now I am copying some text in order to differentiate the different alignments. So look at here. I copied some text and pasted in my document. I saved it and then I refreshed the page. Okay, students. Here data will be along with your picture. If you take right alignment, image will be in the right hand side along with text. Along with the text. If I am taking here alignment equal to left, so I am saving this. So look at here. Again, image is with text. Image is in the left hand side along with contents. What happened if I am not giving the alignment tag? Look at here. I am not giving alignment tag. So look at here. The contents will be start from the last line of your picture. तो एक लाइन पिक्चर की लास्ट लाइन में आएगी. There are some more values of aligned attribute. These are, look at here, top. In this case, one line will be placed in the top of the image. Look at here. Only one line. Rest of contents will be after the line. So if I am taking here middle, so one line in the middle of the image. And in case alignment is bottom, so last line will be at the end of your image. Now one question, by default what will be the alignment if I am not taking the alignment? Look at here. If I am removing the alignment, what will be the default alignment? Okay, students, any student? Bhumika.
Sir, bottom.
Yes, very good, beta. Very good. It is bottom. So remember one thing, default alignment is always bottom. If I am not giving alignment, alignment will be bottom. Look at here. And in case you want to place your image in the center of the web page, the way is center tag. So look at here. I am saving this data, and after that I am refreshing this. So look at here. In this case alignment bottom नहीं होगी, ठीक है, contents image के बाद ही आएंगे.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
Yes बेटा.
सर जो आपने इमेज की है, जैसे इमेज की कोडिंग की है, वो एक बार प्लीज रिपीट कर दो.
Yes बेटा.
वो
So look at here. I use here center tag in order to place the image in the center of the web page. Then I used here img tag. Img stand for image. Src means source, name of the file which you want to insert in the web page. Then height and width. These are used for setting the height and width of the web of your image. So it is 40% of the height of web page, 40% of the width of the web page. Then alt attribute in case there is any error, and in that case the alt message will be displayed on the screen. Look at here. I change the name of the file. This file is not in the web my desktop. Look at here, what will happen. So look at here, this is my file. This is alt contents. Look at here, जहाँ पे मैंने alt दिया हुआ, this one. And after that there is a title tag. Title tag means if I place my mouse on the image, this message will display. Look at here, this is new pic. This is due to title attribute. Next is I am giving here align equal to left. So image is in the left hand side along with text. Now there are two attributes of img tag. One is called h space. Suppose I am giving here 20. So look at here. There is extra space between image and contents. So I am increasing this. Look at here. This extra space. Look at here. It means same space in the right hand side, same space in the left hand side. Extra space. This is called H space. If I want to give this extra space in the top and bottom of the image, the way is V space, vertical space. I am increasing the contents in order to so that it is properly visibility is there. 37, 44, 18.5, 20, 68.5, 42, 32, 67.5, 45.5, 32.5. So look at here. So look at here. Still contents are less. I am inserting more text.
Excuse me, sir.
Raghav, wait for 2 minutes, beta. Wait for 2 minutes only.
Okay, sir.
Look at here. This is the space due to V space, vertical space. So look at here. I'm going to increase this and you will observe what are the changes on the screen. Look at here. I'm going to increase it up to 200. So look at here. Look at here. The contents. Extra space. Top and bottom. This is due to V space. Yes, Raghav, your query,
Sir,
beta.
sir, I wanted to ask if we have to provide space in only one direction of
Uh,
H space.
this is not possible because when we are taking a V space, the space, vertical space in the top and in the bottom of your web page, your image automatically. So there is no separate attribute for top and bottom, and for right and left there is a H space. So this is not possible.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Any other doubt? Yes, Akhilesh. Now, because this is a revision work, I'm going to discuss here the attribute of a body tag. I'm going to discuss that. Because this is all about image tag. So we have discussed here image tag attributes are SRC, height, width, title, X space, V space. We have discussed these things. Now, in case we want to use there are some attributes of a body tag. We are going to discuss that. So in body tag, first tag is BG color. Here you will give name of the color or name a color code. So I am saving this and look at here. Background color is in uh, yellow color. Uh, Now there is a one question for Kartik. Better quickly unmute yourself, beta. Ashima. So now I am going to use color code in plus place of a color name. So I am going to open Photoshop. So look at here. Here is foreground color. I double click on that. So here is a color mixture is here. So many color combinations are there. I select any particular color combination and here is color code. I copied this color code. Come to your web page coding and here use color code but use hash symbol before color code. So I'm going to save this and refresh the page. So look at here. So there are so many color combinations are here. So look at here better. And these colors are in hexadecimal number system. So hexadecimal number systems are 16 digits from A to F. Okay, from 0 to 9 is there, and then A to F. Total 16 digits are there. So first two digits are for red color, next two colors are for green, and last two color codes are for blue, RGB. Okay, so in Photoshop there are different color codes. We can copy these color codes. So look, these are your color codes. Next is, in your book there are some color codes are given there. So remember 2 or 3 color codes. Okay, students, any doubt in this, beta? Okay, students, time is over. Now I am going to close the meeting. Take care, beta. Bye.